The headline blazes: Manila's mega subway hits milestone, tunnels connect, hope ignites. The city's skyline glows with anticipation, as if the very heart of Manila is beating faster tonight. On this December day in 2025, something monumental stirs beneath Metro Manila's chaos. The city, long defined by its relentless traffic and crowded streets, is about to witness a transformation that will echo for generations. This is more than a construction project. It's the dawn of a new era. Every shovel of earth moved, every beam set in place, is a step toward a future that once seemed impossible. For millions, it's the sound of a promise kept, a future built right under their feet. Children peer through fences, imagining the trains that will one day whisk them across the city in minutes. The dream of a world-class subway, once fantasy, is now reality, with progress celebrated citywide. Neighborhoods once divided by distance are now being drawn closer together. But the real story isn't above ground, it's happening below. In the dimly lit tunnels, hope and determination echo off the walls. Deep beneath Quezon City, Pasig, and Taguig, a quiet revolution is underway. The Metro Manila Subway, the project of the century. Here, beneath the surface, the city's future is being carved out, meter by meter. This underground artery is designed to pump new life into a city choked by its own progress. It's a bold answer to decades of congestion and lost time. While the world above sits in traffic, engineers and workers carve out a path to a brighter tomorrow. Their dedication is the engine driving this revolution, working day and night to make the impossible possible. The subway is a lifeline, reclaiming hours lost to gridlock and giving time back to families, students, and workers. It promises not just faster commutes, but more moments shared at home, more dreams pursued. It's a symbol of ambition, a declaration that Manila is ready to join the world's most modern cities. The skyline is changing, and so is the spirit of its people. From coffee shops to markets, the subway is the talk of the town, a project owned by the people, not just the government. Conversations buzz with excitement, pride, and hope for what's to come. The rumbling machines below are the heartbeat of a new Manila, finally on the move. The city is not just building tunnels, it's building a future, one that every resident can be proud of. Night in Metro Manila is alive with energy, a city that never truly sleeps. The streets pulse with the movement of millions, neon lights reflecting off glass towers and bustling markets. But as the city glows above, something remarkable is happening below. Beneath the surface, a different world is taking shape. One that promises to transform how people live, work, and move. Here, the Metro Manila Subway is being born, a secret weapon against relentless congestion, and a symbol of hope for a better tomorrow. For decades, the city's commute has meant hours lost on EDSA, crowded buses, and weary faces. Every day, millions have endured the grind, sacrificing precious time with family and friends. The subway is rewriting this story, offering a vision where people are freed by their commute, not defined by it. Imagine stepping onto a train and knowing you'll arrive on time, every time. The concept is simple but revolutionary. Go underground and unlock a new dimension of urban mobility. By moving mass transit below, the subway creates a high-speed corridor immune to traffic and floods. Rain or shine, the trains will keep running, connecting lives and livelihoods. It will connect business districts, government centers, and homes with unprecedented efficiency, shrinking distances and making the city feel more accessible than ever before. Imagine Quezon City to Naiya in just over 30 minutes, a journey that once took hours, now transformed into a quick, comfortable ride. The subway is about more than speed, it's about equity and sustainability. It's a chance for everyone, regardless of background, to move forward together. It offers an affordable, reliable alternative to private cars, reducing pollution and opening opportunities for all. Cleaner air and less traffic mean a healthier city for future generations. As tunnels stretch and stations rise, they're not just connecting points, they're connecting communities, bringing neighborhoods closer and fostering new possibilities. This is an investment in every Filipino's well-being, a promise that progress can be shared by all. The underground revolution is laying the foundation for a more inclusive, prosperous Metro Manila, one where dreams can finally take shape, above and below the city streets. Metro Manila's transport history is a saga of urbanization outpacing infrastructure. Buses, jeepneys, and rail lines have struggled to keep up, resulting in legendary gridlock. The Metro Manila Subway is the bold move the city has long needed. Unlike noisy, elevated railways, The subway operates silently below, bypassing chaos and offering unmatched reliability. Trains will arrive every few minutes, unaffected by weather or traffic. This predictability gives commuters control and freedom. The subway's impact goes beyond commuting. It unlocks economic potential, spurs new business hubs, and boosts property values. It's an engine of growth, creating jobs and attracting investment. Most importantly, it gives time back to people, turning 3-hour commutes into 25-minute journeys. This is more than convenience. It's a profound improvement in quality of life. The subway is a promise of more time for life, a gift to a city that's waited too long. Metro Manila is finally moving forward. The Metro Manila Subway's route is a masterclass in urban planning, a 33-kilometer spine from Valenzuela to Naya and FTI. It connects diverse neighborhoods and key economic hubs, with 17 stations serving North Avenue, Ortigas, BGC, and Makati. The genius lies in integration. North Avenue Common Station links the subway with LRT and MRT lines, creating a seamless network. For the first time, a Quezon City resident can reach Taguig or Naya in a single integrated journey. The direct link to NAIA Terminal 3 is a game changer, offering fast, stress-free airport access. This signals Manila's readiness to welcome the world with world-class infrastructure. Construction is phased, with early stations opening soon, giving the public a taste of the future. Each milestone builds momentum and public confidence. The subway turns a long-term vision into achievable steps, bringing the dream closer to reality. Deep below the bustling streets of Manila, giant tunnel boring machines, known as TBMs, are on the move, quietly shaping the city's future out of sight. These engineering marvels don't just carve tunnels, they simultaneously install sturdy concrete segments, creating a finished tunnel as they advance meter by meter, all without disturbing the busy city life above. Every milestone is a cause for celebration. When a TBM breaks through into a new station cavern, it marks a moment of triumph for the entire team, symbolizing months of hard work and precision. The relentless, round-the-clock work of these machines is what makes the dream of a modern subway possible, carving a vital path for millions of future passengers who will rely on this new transit system. Operating a TBM is a complex 24/7 operation. Skilled teams of engineers and workers constantly monitor soil conditions, tunnel alignment, and safety systems to ensure smooth progress and prevent any issues. As the TBM advances, excavated earth is swiftly whisked away on long conveyor belts, efficiently removing tons of soil and rock, all hidden from public view, keeping the city clean and undisturbed. Thanks to TBMs, the city above can continue to function normally while its future is being built below. Unlike older disruptive cut-and-cover methods, TBMs minimize noise, dust, and traffic interruptions. These machines are capable of tunneling beneath buildings, busy roads, and even rivers, all with minimal impact on the surface, preserving the city's landscape and daily routines. For a dense, ever-growing city like Metro Manila, this technology is the smart, forward-thinking solution, one that allows progress without forcing the city to stand still or pause its daily life. The quiet, steady hum of TBMs at work is the sound of progress, unstoppable, essential, and quietly transforming the city from beneath our feet. Meter by meter, Manila's future is being built underground, laying the foundation for a faster, more connected city for generations to come. The Metro Manila Subway is a triumph of international cooperation, with Japan as a key partner. JICA provides funding, technology, and expertise, ensuring world-class standards. Japanese engineers work alongside Filipinos, transferring knowledge and building local capacity. Safety is paramount. Japan's seismic engineering ensures the subway can withstand earthquakes. Trains feature advanced protection systems and meticulous safety planning. This partnership is more than technical. It's a legacy of trust and shared vision. The subway stands as a symbol of what nations can achieve together. Subway stations will be more than entry points. They'll be modern, accessible community hubs. Bright, spacious, and intuitive, each station reflects its neighborhood's character while prioritizing comfort and safety. Accessibility is key. Elevators, escalators, and tactile paving ensure everyone can use the system. Stations will offer amenities, retail spaces, and clean facilities, becoming vibrant destinations. They'll spark urban renewal, encouraging walkable, mixed-use communities around them. Integrated with buses, jeepneys, taxis, and bikes, stations will be true mobility hubs. By connecting the subway to the city's transport network, these stations anchor a new era of urban travel. They are the gateways to a more connected, efficient Metro Manila. Building a subway in Manila means tackling complex geology, soft soil, volcanic tuff, and a high water table. Engineers use advanced TBMs with earth pressure balance to safely tunnel through tricky ground. Sophisticated sensors monitor buildings above, ensuring stability and safety. Navigating a maze of underground utilities requires meticulous planning and coordination. Utilities are mapped and, if needed, carefully relocated to avoid disruption. The Philippine Railway Institute, established with Japan's help, trains a new generation of Filipino railway experts. Its curriculum covers everything from train driving to maintenance, ensuring operational excellence. By investing in local talent, the Philippines secures a world-class subway, run by world-class Filipinos. The project's success is built on technology, planning, and people. As the subway rises, Manila joins the ranks of Southeast Asia's great metro cities. The project redefines the city's future, ushering in unprecedented connectivity and cohesion. Commutes become restful, productive, and stress-free, a priceless gift of time. Economic benefits abound: productivity, investment, and sustainable jobs. But the subway is more than infrastructure. It's a symbol of hope and national pride. It proves Filipinos can achieve world-class progress through vision and perseverance. As tunnels connect and stations rise, the city's heartbeat is one of renewal. The Metro Manila Subway is a legacy of progress, a journey toward a more connected, prosperous, and hopeful future.